Cleaning your toilet like a pro isn't just about scrubbing away stains. It's about transforming one of the most essential fixtures in your home into a space that shines with cleanliness, freshness, and comfort. Whether you're tackling the bathroom in your own apartment, prepping for guests, or managing a busy household, mastering this routine will leave you feeling accomplished and your bathroom looking spotless. Let's break down the process step by step, revealing tips and tricks that professionals use to get toilets sparkling clean and keep them that way. Begin by gathering your supplies. You'll want a sturdy toilet brush, preferably with firm bristles and a long handle for reach and leverage. Next, select a high-quality toilet bowl cleaner. Look for products with disinfecting properties and stain-fighting ingredients. Some people prefer eco-friendly options, while others opt for bleach-based formulas. You'll also need disinfecting wipes or spray, a microfiber cloth or paper towels, rubber gloves, and an old toothbrush for detail work. Consider having a pumice stone on hand for tough mineral deposits or hard water stains. Preparation is key. Having all your supplies ready means you won't have to scramble mid-clean, and you'll be less likely to spread germs around the bathroom. Start by putting on your gloves. This step isn't just about protecting your hands from harsh chemicals, it's also about hygiene. Professional cleaners always wear gloves to prevent cross-contamination and to keep their skin safe. Once you're ready, begin by clearing the area around the toilet. Remove any items on the tank lid, nearby shelves, or the floor so nothing gets in your way and everything stays clean. The next step is to flush the toilet. This helps moisten the bowl and loosen surface debris, making the cleaning process more effective. After flushing, squirt your toilet bowl cleaner around the inside rim, allowing it to coat the bowl evenly. Don't just apply cleaner in one spot. Make sure it reaches every corner, especially under the rim where grime can accumulate unnoticed. Most professional-grade cleaners recommend letting the formula sit for several minutes. This dwell time ensures the active ingredients break down stains, kill bacteria, and dissolve mineral buildup. While the cleaner is working its magic in the bowl, focus on the exterior. Spray the tank, handle, and outside surfaces with disinfectant, or use disinfectant wipes. Pay special attention to the flush handle, as it's one of the most touched and germiest spots in any bathroom. Wipe down the tank, the sides, and the base. And don't forget those hard-to-reach spots behind the toilet. These areas often harbor dust, hair, and dirt. Use your microfiber cloth for a streak-free finish, or paper towels for an easy disposable option. Now, return to the bowl. With your toilet brush in hand, scrub the entire inside thoroughly. Start under the rim, where bacteria and minerals tend to build up, and work your way down the sides and around the bowl. Use firm circular motions to dislodge stains, being careful to reach every nook and cranny. For stubborn spots, like brown rings or hard watermarks, a pumice stone can be gently rubbed against the porcelain. Don't use metal scouring pads, as they can scratch and damage the surface. If mineral deposits persist, try pouring a cup of vinegar into the bowl and letting it sit for another 10 to 15 minutes before scrubbing again. Take out your old toothbrush for detail work. This is the pro tip that elevates your cleaning game. Use the toothbrush to scrub around the hinges of the toilet seat, the bolts that attach the seat to the bowl, and any crevices in the base or lid. These spots are often overlooked, but can collect grime and bacteria. A spritz of disinfectant on the bristles helps break down buildup and leaves every surface sanitized. Don't neglect the seat and lid. Spray them with disinfectant and wipe thoroughly, making sure to clean the underside of the seat and the rim of the bowl. If your toilet seat is removable, consider taking it off for a deeper clean. This lets you reach areas that might otherwise be missed. Once cleaned, dry the surfaces with a fresh cloth or paper towel to prevent streaks and water spots. Once the bowl has been scrubbed, flush the toilet again to rinse away cleaner and loosen debris. Take a final look to see if any spots remain, and repeat scrubbing if necessary. For persistent odors, drop in a deodorizing tablet or use a specialized bowl freshener. Pros know that regular maintenance prevents stains and smells from taking hold, so consider adding bowl cleaner or deodorizing tabs to your weekly routine. If you want to go the extra mile, Pay attention to the floor and wall area around the toilet. Dust, hair, and moisture can accumulate here, creating an environment for bacteria. Sweep or vacuum the area, then use disinfectant spray or wipes to clean the floor, paying special attention to the base of the toilet. If the caulking around the base looks dirty or mildewed, a toothbrush and some baking soda paste can help restore its original color. Professional cleaners know that good ventilation is essential. If possible, open a window or turn on the bathroom fan to dissipate fumes from cleaning products and help dry surfaces quickly. This keeps the bathroom fresh and prevents mold and mildew buildup around the toilet and in other damp areas. To keep your toilet sparkling between deep cleanse, establish a simple maintenance routine. Wipe down the seat and handle daily with disinfectant wipes, and give the bowl a quick brush and flush every few days. Don't let clutter or stray items pile up around the toilet. Keep the area tidy to make your regular cleaning sessions faster and more effective. If you live in a hard water area, mineral deposits and stains can be a recurring problem. A mixture of vinegar and baking soda poured into the bowl and left overnight works wonders, breaking down limescale and keeping the porcelain bright. For extra freshness, add a few drops of essential oil to the cleaning solution for a pleasant scent. Remember, a clean toilet isn't just about appearances, it's about health. Regular, thorough cleaning prevents the spread of germs and bacteria, reduces unpleasant odors, and creates a more welcoming bathroom for yourself and your guests. By following these professional tips and staying consistent with your routine, you'll ensure your toilet remains a shining example of cleanliness and comfort in your home. So, next time you tackle bathroom chores, approach the toilet with confidence and the know-how of a pro. With the right supplies, a few expert techniques, and a commitment to regular maintenance, you'll enjoy a bathroom that's as fresh and inviting as any luxury hotel. And best of all, you'll know that your cleaning routine isn't just effective, it's done like a pro.